Good morning and welcome. Today, we're making a healthy and delicious breakfast option that's perfect for busy mornings. The egg, spinach and feta breakfast burrito. With just 15 minutes of prep and cooking time, this burrito is packed with flavor and nutrients, and the perfect start to your day. Let's walk through the steps and ingredients together, so you can recreate this savory meal at home. Here's what you'll need for 4 servings. 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 red bell pepper, chopped, 3 cups of baby spinach, 2 tablespoons of chopped sun-dried tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of fresh dill, chopped, 6 large eggs, 1/4 teaspoon each of sea salt and ground black pepper, 2 large, 10-inch spelt or whole grain tortillas, 1/3 cup of full-fat feta cheese, crumbled. Now that we've got everything ready, let's get started. Step 1. Sauté the vegetables. Begin by heating 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped red bell pepper and cook for about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. The goal here is to get the bell peppers crisp tender, so they retain a bit of texture. Next, stir in 3 cups of baby spinach, 2 tablespoons of chopped sun-dried tomatoes, and 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped dill. Keep stirring for another minute, just until the spinach wilts and all the ingredients are combined beautifully. Step 2. Prepare the eggs. While the vegetables are cooking, let's whisk the eggs. In a medium bowl, crack 6 large eggs and season them with 1/4 teaspoon each of sea salt and ground black pepper. Give them a good whisk until the yolks and whites are well combined. Now, pour the eggs into the skillet over the sautéed vegetables. Allow them to set for about 30 seconds without stirring. Then, gently stir the mixture, cooking for another 2 minutes until the eggs are fully set and there's no liquid remaining. Step 3. Assemble the burritos. With the egg mixture ready, it's time to assemble our burritos. Spoon the cooked eggs, spinach, and pepper mixture evenly down the center of each tortilla. Now for the finishing touch. Sprinkle about 1/3 cup of crumbled feta cheese on top. Once that's done, fold in the opposite sides of the tortilla and roll it up burrito style. For easy serving, slice each burrito in half. These burritos can also be made ahead of time and frozen for a convenient grab-and-go breakfast. Here's how. After assembling the burritos, wrap each half in parchment paper, followed by a compostable wrap. Place them in the freezer, and when you're ready to eat, move the burritos to the fridge overnight to thaw. In the morning, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the wrapping, and bake the burritos for 15 minutes until heated throughout. And there you have it, your egg, spinach and feta breakfast burrito is ready to enjoy. This dish is nutritious, delicious, and perfect for those busy mornings when you need something quick but satisfying. The combination of fluffy eggs, fresh vegetables, and creamy feta cheese makes it an instant favorite. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and healthy recipes. See you next time. Don't forget to comment below with your favorite breakfast recipes or let us know how your burrito turned out. Until next time, happy cooking!